Welcome back. As a part of our conceptual class, we understood left semi-join and left anti-joins are a bit different from other joins. Let's take some hands-on examples and understand how exactly they work. If you have already not created the data frames named person and graduate program, please go ahead and create those data frames by copying this code. I have already created them. I'll just show them to you so that you know what are the different columns and records in these two data frames. Okay, these are the two data frames which we'll be using. Now it is very simple. All we have to do is we have to change the join type. So let me go ahead and change the join type to left semi-join. Remember, in left semi-join, what it is doing is it is only keeping the records from the left data frame which are matching with the right data frame as per the join expression. Again, our join expression here is person graduate program is equal to the graduate program ID. Let's go ahead and execute this guy. In this case, left data frame is person and the right data frame is graduate program. So in the left data frame, we have 0, 1, 1. Only these records will be shown in a resultant data frame. You can see that. Incidentally, all the records are having a match with the records on the right data frame. Let us reverse this data frame and see how the result looks like. So I'm making the graduate program as the left and person as the right. So the matching records, you can see 0 and 1 are the matching records. Here only those records should be kept. Let me go ahead and execute this. You can see only the records from the left data frame are included as a part of the resultant data frame, which are matching with the right data frame as per the join expression. Wonderful. Let us look at how the anti-join works, left anti-join. Let's go ahead and change this left anti or anti. Can you just think of what may happen here? So let me display the data frames for you. Graduate program.show and we have person.show. Okay, so this is the left data frame and this is the right data frame. As we know, in case of anti-join, it is just opposite of the left semi-join. But in case of left anti-join, only the records which are not matching will be displayed as a part of the resultant data frame. Let us go ahead and execute this. There you go. Only one record which is not matching with the data frame on the right will be displayed as a part of the resultant data frame. Wonderful. They're very, very simple, yet they are very powerful. Please do practice the left semi-join and left anti-join. If there are any instance, if you have to use the left semi-join and left anti-join, it will be easy for you. They act as a kind of a filters. Thank you.